Making a doctor's appointment by phone. Good morning. Greenfield Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I want to make an appointment with a doctor, please.
Of course. Are you a new patient or do you have a file with us?
I am a new patient. I never came here before.
No problem. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Maya Carter.
Thank you, Maya. And your date of birth?
It is the 15th of March, 1998.
Great. And can I have a phone number for you?
Sure, it is 555-0174.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Now, which doctor would you like to see?
I would like to see a general doctor. I am not sure which one.
We have Dr. Green and Dr. Mills. They are both general doctors.
Oh, is Dr. Green available this week?
Let me check. Yes, Dr. Green has some free slots this week.
That is good to hear.
Can I ask why you need to see the doctor today?
I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I feel very tired too.
I see. How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days now.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
I think so. I felt very hot last night.
All right. Dr. Green will be happy to help you.
Thank you. I really need to feel better soon.
I understand. Let me find a good time for you.
I hope there is something soon.
Are you free on Wednesday morning?
Yes, Wednesday morning is good for me.
Dr. Green has a slot at 9:30. Is that okay?
9:30 in the morning? Yes, that is perfect.
Wonderful. I will book that for you now.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all, Maya.
Do I need to bring anything with me?
Please bring a photo ID and your insurance card.
Oh, I have both of those. Good.
Also, please come 5 minutes early to fill in some forms.
Of course. I will come at 9:25.
That is great. New patients always need to fill in a short form.
How long does the form take?
It is very short, only about 5 minutes.
Okay, that is not a problem.
Very good. Do you have any allergies we should know about?
Yes, I am allergic to penicillin.
Thank you. I will write that in your file.
That is important. I am glad you asked.
Yes, it is very important. The doctor needs to know.
I agree. Thank you for asking.
Are you taking any medicine right now?
No, I am not taking any medicine at the moment.
Good. The doctor will ask you more questions during the visit.
Okay. How long is the appointment?
It is usually about 15 to 20 minutes.
That is fine. I have plenty of time.
Do you need directions to the clinic?
Yes, please. I do not know where it is.
We are at 42 Oak Street, near the Central Library.
Oh, I know the Central Library. That is easy to find.
Yes, we are just 2 minutes away from it.
Is there a parking area near the clinic?
Yes, there is a small car park next to the building.
Great. I will drive there then.
Perfect. The car park is free for patients.
Oh, that is very helpful. Thank you.
You are welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Yes, one more question. Can I cancel if I need to?
Of course. Please call us at least 24 hours before.
Okay. I will call if my plans change.
That is very helpful for us. Thank you.
No problem. I will try to be there on time.
That is great. We will send you a reminder by text message.
Oh, that is very nice. I sometimes forget things.
We understand. The reminder will come one day before.
Perfect. So it will come on Tuesday?
Yes, you will get a message on Tuesday afternoon.
Thank you. That is very useful.
Is the phone number you gave me correct for the message?
Yes, 555-0174 is my mobile number. That is correct.
Good. Everything is ready. Your appointment is confirmed.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help today.
It is my pleasure, Maya. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you very much. That is very kind.
Take care and drink lots of water.
I will. Good advice. Thank you, Robert.
See you on Wednesday. Goodbye, Maya.
Goodbye. See you then. Have a great day.
You too. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Dial appointment. A time you plan to meet someone. Patient. A person who sees a doctor. Date of birth. The day, month, and year you were born. Available. Free and ready to be used or seen. A slot. A free time in a schedule. Symptom. A sign that shows you are not well. A fever. A very high body temperature when you are sick. Sore throat. Pain in your throat when you swallow. Book. To plan and save a time in advance. Insurance card. A card that shows your health insurance. Allergy. When your body reacts badly to something. Penicillin. A common medicine used to treat infections. Directions. Information about how to get somewhere. Car park. An area where you can leave your car. Bake cancel. To say you will not come to a planned event. Reminder. A message that helps you not forget something. Confirmed. Officially accepted and made certain. Mobile number. The phone number of your mobile phone. Now watch again without subtitles. How many words can you understand? Subscribe for a new English dialogue every week.